Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious banana bread using a rice cooker. First, gather your ingredients: 3 to 4 very ripe bananas, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Ensure your bananas are extra ripe for the best flavor. Lightly grease the inner pot of your rice cooker. Now let's mix the batter. In a medium bowl, mash your ripe bananas until smooth. In a separate bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients: 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Then, add the egg, 1/4 cup of oil, and 1/2 cup of sugar to your mashed bananas. Finally, gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combined, being careful not to overmix. It's time to bake. Carefully pour your banana bread batter into the lightly greased rice cooker pot. Close the lid securely. If your rice cooker has a cake setting, use that. Otherwise, select the white rice setting. The cooking time will be around 45 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pot for 10 minutes. Here are a few tips to make your banana bread even better. Feel free to add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, walnuts, or pecans to the batter for extra texture and flavor. Once cooled, slice and enjoy your delicious homemade banana bread. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This rice cooker method is fantastic for small batches or if you don't have access to an oven. Enjoy your treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.